Are you feeling worried or are you feeling tensed about something? Are you feeling this one thing that you don't have much opportunities around you, or you are right now in your home where no companies are asking for your resume? Or do you think that you are not getting any job? You have tried your best and you're worried about your friends are getting job but I'm not getting job. Something is just troubling your mindset right now. If you are sitting at your home or at your bed or at your chair or at your dining table and you have this one thought in your mind that what will happen, what will happen in this COVID-19 lockdown, what will happen if I don't get any job, and do I have to still live in my parents home after the college? Also, do I have to just feed myself on my parents money? Is this what I'm supposed to do after all these college years of hustle and work and studies day and night, and after passing on with such a good grades? Is this what I need to do? So if you are having these kind of trouble, you are going to get answers of each of these questions in these next 4 to 5 minutes, and I really want to tell you this, that don't worry, it is all gonna be okay. Everything is gonna be all right if you just listen to this video very carefully. A very good morning to you all. My name is Shubham Bisht and I welcome you all once again back to this amazing platform of YouTube named as Happiness Prime. I welcome you all to this H17 Prime video where we have some amazing thoughts and experiences, and I'm going to share something very nice with you today. We all have one thing in common. If you are watching this video, then one thing which you have is a good phone. One thing which you have is a good internet connection, or it might not be good. It's okay, but it can be good. And if you have internet connection, that is enough in the whole world. At our parents' time, see, from whom we take career opportunities, from whom we have learned that job is the only thing which matters the most in our life. From whom have we learned this thing? From our parents, right? From our elder brothers, right? So from our parents, they are from 1970s, 1980s, 1990s, 2000. So at that time, job was really the only option in the whole world because the internet was not there. The internet was not there. The people were just stuck at their home and they don't had anything to do. They don't had money. They don't had Google AdSense. They didn't had Instagram. They didn't had YouTube. They didn't had these online platforms. They didn't had these many opportunities at that moment of time. Right now, if you will ask your parents that how can I earn money from YouTube, how can I earn money from writing blogs, how can I earn money, the only answer you are going to get from 80% of the majority is go get a job. Go get a job by the degree which you have done. You have this much certificate, we have spent so much money on you, go get a job. So they are not wrong. They always want your better wealth. They always want your better future. They always want your better career. They think about you. They care about you. And the only person who care about you is your parents. So they are not wrong. They are teaching you all the good things and they are doing everything they have learned at that moment of time. At those years, they have been taught that yes, job was super mandatory, and that's why they have taught you that job was super mandatory, and it is. It is not like job is not mandatory, but right now, the future is big. The future is huge. Right now, a TikToker is earning 2 to 3 lakh rupees per month. Right now, dancers are earning 5 to 6 lakh rupees. Right now, real estate agents are earning so much money. Right now, people are sitting at their home earning lakhs of rupees in stock market intraday trading every single day. Right now, people are investing 50,000, 60,000 rupees in Dogecoin. People are following Elon Musk advices. People are doing each and everything which was not supposed to be present in 2005 and 2006. So right now, how many opportunities you have to self-realize this thing. If you don't want to do job, let me tell you this one thing. The main reason behind doing job is to get money. Is it Let me tell you this one thing. Many people think this one thing, that money doesn't matter the most. money is not important. Being rich is not important. Let me tell you this one thing. Imagine this one condition. Right now, just close your eyes and imagine this one thing, that right now your parents just kicked you out of your home, and right now your parents don't want to live with you anymore, or you just got self motivated and you thought that, okay, stop it, I'm not going to take any single penny from my parents right now. And I stepped my foot out of my room, out of my door, I just stepped out. So right now, what is the one thing which you need the most? Right now, do you need food to eat? Do you need clothes to wear? Do you need a bed to sleep on? Do you need a shelter to live under? Do you need all these things? And how can you get that? Just tell me, how can you get that? Money is real important to survive. Money is not just a piece of paper, but you need it to survive. But many people have this one thing, that no, money is not important, just because their parents are supporting them and financially helping them their whole life. So one time it's gonna come, and it comes in every single person's life, and life will definitely teach everyone the value, the worth of money. So right now, what I was telling you, that if you are not getting a job, or if you are not able to find a job, or if you are not having the idea of how to get a job, or if you are not just interested in doing a job, but still your peer pressure, your parents are just forcing you to do something, and they are not wrong, they want to make you successful always. And this one thing which I'm going to tell you, realize this one thing: opportunities which you have right now, you have multiple options right now. Giving money is a habit. People wants to give money. Market is so big, and there are millions of opportunities flowing on in the market, and people wants to give you money. What people want is help. What people want is their problem fixed. What people want the most is how can you provide them the values. Once you can learn how to get their problem fixed, they are going to give you money. Even if you don't want to take, they will definitely give you money. And there are more than 135 CR people in India right now. Only in India. Just think about how many people are there who love what you love to do. I'm not telling you to do dance, or do TikTok, or do audio, or write blog, or do a podcast. Do something. See, all of this hustle just for you. Just for you. I just want to tell you this one thing. It is very simple. Either you earn money doing a job, either you earn money doing something, providing values to others, or solving their problems, or do something. But at the end, whatever stream you choose, you have to realize that after 4 years, 5 years, constant hustle, when there is 2-3 days of constant work, and you are not getting time to sleep, and you don't have time to eat food, and you don't have enough money to eat food, and people are still forcing you, just pondering you, just hammering you. At that moment of time, if you have the potential and that much satisfaction from your work, that yes, I love my work and I love to do what I love to do, then at that moment of time you will realize that journey is amazing. But at that point of time, if you don't realize, if you won't be able to survive these pondering of the situations and just people pressurizing you, then you will quit. You will quit because you have chosen these because of your parents. You will quit because you will always dwell about your parents, and you will go and just make a bad situation with your parents because they told you to get this job, they put you in this situation. So why to do those things with the parents? They are the only person who care about you. So always be self-aware. Right now you have opportunities. Right now you have all the world's opportunities. Internet is open, mobile phone is open, you have unlimited social media, you have unlimited amount of time right now. You can just figure out the ways from where you can provide value to others. If you don't have any talent, if you don't have any knowledge about anything, you have internet. You have, first of all, just clarify, consume good things. Listen to the people whom you want to become like. listen to each and everyone whom you want to become like. They will definitely teach you something about it. If you listen to me, let me know that how can I help you. I'm always open. My comment section is always open. My description, my number is always open. You just have to reach out and get to a particular situation where you can start learning for a particular thing. That's simple it is. And let me tell you this thing, this is the most important in the baseline. The quicker you get to realize what is life, the happier it is going to become. The later you are going to realize life, and life is going to teach you what it means, then the worse it is going to become. That was the bottom line. I hope you got to learn the best things from this video, and I really worked very hard for this video, and you can see that. But I am really blessed, and I really wanted to do this because there are lots of people who are struggling with the opportunities, with the family, with the peer pressure, with the situation of lockdown right now. So I really wanted to help, and this was my help. If you got to learn something from this video, if you got to learn some values, then definitely share it with some friends. That would mean world to me. If you can share this with one more friend, that will be enough. That's it. And if you want to do some more favor, then you can comment what you have learned from this video in the comment section down below. I would love that, and thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more amazing videos. Stay healthy, keep your family safe, be safe, and keep learning. Thank you.